Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on 3 December 2021. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, start from Dewi Sri, Ligand Street until Raya Kuta Street, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kuta area on 3 December 2021. And our update today start from Dewi Sri Street until to the Raya Kuta Beach Street. Okay guys, now we are in Dewi Sri Street. In this area, it looks busy. There is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. And actually, now I make video on 8:30 in the morning, so that's why usually in this area still very quiet. But I'm really happy because now there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. And if you see the weather today, it's not so clear. This week Bali always cloudy but sometimes raining. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Dewi Sri Street. And if I turn left, there is the way to go to Sanur, Denpasar and Nusa Dua. But I will turn right because I will explore Legian Street and Raya Kuta Beach Street. And now we are in Patih Jelantik Street. In the left side, there is central parking area. In parking area, there is a lot of bus parking there because big bus cannot go and turn straight away to the Kuta Beach. So that's why the big bus, if they come traveling from Java or other island from Bali, they park in there and then shuttle with the small bus to go to Kuta Beach. Because there is sometimes a lot traveler from China, also from domestic tourism, they use the bus transportation in Bali. So that's why they parking in the parking area, and if they want to go to Kuta Beach, they do shuttle bus with a small bus. Okay guys, we continue driving in Patih Jelantik Street. It looks so busy even early in the morning. As I told you, I make this video on 8:30. And also, in this video, I make video around 12 minutes without skip. Because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. Yeah, you see left side and right side, there is a lot of shops still closed because it is still too early in the morning. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Okay guys, now we are in Ligand Street. In Ligand Street, usually there is a lot of shop starting open. But as I told you, I make this video early in the morning, so all the shop still closed. But I just want to take you a journey in Kuta area. Because I think you are really missing Bali because since the pandemic corona, that is so hard to come to overseas, also to come to Bali. Yeah, it is the shop, left side and right side, still closed because it's early in the morning, as usually. Yeah, it is a bit quiet on the street, but in the hotel there is some car parking at the front of the hotel. Right side also, you see, yeah, there is car parking. Also in the left side, there is a lot of car parking, and some people do activity. I mean, they will make a tour in Bali. They just have breakfast, I think. You see, with the empty street, this area also looks so beautiful. And now we are nearby ground zero. So we will see together how the situation at the moment in ground zero area, the central of Ligand Street. Yeah, it is still very quiet, so I can driving very smooth around here. If I turn right at the front, there is Poppy's line too. And in this area I was busy during the night time, because in this area there is a lot of night bar and nightclub. And I already update the night time in this area, so you can find in this channel down this video. Oh yeah, there is one shop open in the right side. That is good. They are starting the business today. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian Street. In the morning around 8:30. Still quiet, but there is some people there. You see at the front? This area we call Bemo Corner. If I turn left, there is the way to go to Sanur, Denpasar and Nusa Dua. But I will turn right to explore Raya Kuta Beach. Yeah, now we are in Raya Kuta Beach. I'm gonna say sorry because I have nothing to show, but it's real happening now in Kuta Bali. On 3 December 2021, early in the morning, about 8:30. It's normal quiet because it's too early in the morning. I make this video because I just want to show you how the beautiful this area during in the morning when the street is still empty. Okay guys, now we are near Kuta Beach. You see right side at the front. There's a tourist walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. Also in left side. Yeah, there is local tourism walk around on the sidewalk. Okay, now we reach Kuta Beach. You see the front? That is Kuta Beach. The sky looks so white because in raining season now. Some taxi parking at the front Hard Rock Cafe. Also on the left side, there is some car parking there. This looks busy, isn't it? Okay, you see right side? There is some bus parking there. There is just local domestic tourism. They make a tour in Bali. Yeah, look busy around here. And also see right side, there is Heritage Hotel, Kuta. There is some car parking there. Looks so busy. They didn't make a tour in Bali. I mean, not starting yet to explore Bali. And also right side, yeah, there is some bus parking there. Lots of people. That's good. Actually, the bus cannot come to the street before the pandemic. Maybe this because very quiet now. They allowed to come to the Kuta Beach, I mean the bus. Okay, now we reach Beach Walk, the biggest mall in Kuta Bali. And also this mall very artistic, so very beautiful building and location just exactly at the front Kuta Beach. You see left side, there is the parking area for Kuta Beach and mall. You see? That is the entrance to go to mall. look empty, still closed because it's early in the morning. Usually I update every day on my YouTube to show you how I look like Bali, but since 2 days I don't upload because I feeling not really well, but now I right back to my channel. You see Mamaka restaurant right side? Yeah, there is some people having breakfast right there. And also on the left side, there is a lot of car parking. They are going to the Kuta Beach. That's really good. It looks so busy around here even in the morning. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area. So if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.